Well, tonight on BLK, hey, maybe you can hear me. It's a little less noisy than in the Ford, but anyway, get the 565A Hesston baler. Making a bit of noise right now. One of them aligning sprockets is kind of loose on that shaft, which is shattered, but oh well. We'll get it fixed up tomorrow. Order parts tomorrow anyway, and we'll go from there. I'm also having an issue with my cutter not cutting the twines as the bale gets ejected. It's supposed to cut the twines and let you drive away, but that's only happened a half a dozen times today, which ain't that great. On the counter, we're up to 40 bales or so. It's the field we were in the other night, raking with the Ford. Carry on until we get a bale made here, and the computer starts screaming at me that the twines are running. And you can see where the wind has gotten a little bit of these windrows. Aptly named, I guess. But I'll try and keep the old baler full and running. It doesn't have a lot of bales on it, this baler. It's about 25 or 2600 on the computer. I don't think the old boy that had her changed it since new. So, just look at the field, the home place. We won't show it all, just for anonymity's sake. Yeah. Doing most of this off my iPhone, so or all of it, I guess. So bear with me till we can get rigged up proper. This is just a thought we had the other day. We give it a try. Seems lots of folks out there seem to be having fun doing it. Chase around these ends that I messed up when we were raking. We'll take another stab at another windrow. Hesston computer telling me I gotta drive left, drive right. Kind of like Trucker Josh's Mandy telling you what to do, except this one screams at you when you need to. Whew, broke a record. We're already up to 2 minutes, 50 some seconds. This would be a long one for us. But anyway, you can see get built. Just back and forth trying to feed it as even as we can across that pickup. Watch that computer and it'll tell you which way you need to be driving, if nothing else. But if you maintain a 75 feet to one side, 75 feet to the middle, and 75 feet to the other side, and you should get a pretty decent bale. Watch that counter. There, that white strip above the gauge, it tells me exactly how big this bale is. And we can change that setting to allow for smaller bales if customers have smaller equipment for handling their bales. Try and get her as even as it can. A little bit tricky. Probably make you sick bouncing around like this, but this is my day. Close to having a full bale. And there we go. The full bale. We'll stuff her to the end before we hit the auto cycle, which starts the tie-in. Yes, Mandy. Get the arms rolling there now. They spin her out into the middle. Back up a little bit, you can see that dial, that brown handle on the dial down some. The set of arms, if you look just below it, right about in, let's see if I get my finger in the camera,